Okay, so first day of June and first day after my try to reset. I took a decision yesterday that I were supposed to keep my trading to 4 a.m. to the first 30 minutes of pre-market at 4 a.m. That is mainly where I made my profits in 2024 and 2025. And now the last couple of months, I have been giving back a lot of profits later on in the pre-market, even though the best moves and the best news has been coming from 7 a.m. to like 9 a.m. But for some reason, the last couple of months, even more than that, also the last couple of months of last year, I have been losing on almost every one of those trades that have been coming. So I took a decision now for the start of this new thing with this YouTube channel where I'm gonna go through every day. I'm gonna do in weekends a little bit more deep dive in how I rate myself and rate the trading. So I will show you a lot about those Excel files as well. But for now, I'm just gonna go over the first morning and show the trades that I did today. I should have ended up with a lot more because it was a good 4 a.m. for once. It has been very slow at 4 a.m. lately. So anyhow, I will go over the trades from this morning. So here is the second trade that I did. That was quite a dangerous one. I came in a little bit later than the open at 4 a.m. And this is a little bit, now this wasn't as bad, but I have seen a lot of this early in the pre-market now lately where you get a fast spike with quite high volume, now around 500k of shares traded in per minute. And we see a lot of these spikes in 1 or 2 minutes. This one retraced a little bit more than 50%, but a lot of those that I've been seeing now last couple of weeks, they have been retracing like 70-80% and very, very fast. So it's dangerous to fall for FOMO here and buy a little bit too high. So I was quite reluctant when I were here, and I thank God I didn't fall for buying when it was up here. So I'm very pleased about that. So that was the second trade. The first one that I should have done much better at was this one. This was almost immediately 5 minutes into the 4 a.m. opening. Perfect one. Where you see the first minute here when it goes 160,000 in volume. That's what I prefer. Went from around $2 up to $9.50. And you see here I sold the first profit here. I bought 200 here and I sold them too fast. I should have held half of the position over here. But this is the problem that I've been having now lately because I've had these many months of bad results. So I have a lot of fear that I need to work on when it comes to holding winners. That's normally the issue that I'm having now. So yeah, this trade should have been looking way better, way better. I ended up with a profit on $78 on this one. Yeah, at least I'm not I don't have a negative day, so I'm happy for that. This is about the two trades I shouldn't have gone for Cree and I shouldn't have gone for WeSig because I already had profits from two trades, and what I'm gonna try to do now, if I make money within the first 30 minutes, I'm gonna stop. Even if it's not a big profit day like today with 170, I will stop and even though the day continues better, I need to wait. I need to get profit days up. I need to have some confidence back. So it's gonna be like this. I'm gonna do smaller trades. I'm gonna stop when I have profits, and if I go below like 100, 200 in a day, if I'm red more than 200, I'm gonna stop immediately because I put in a hard stop. So if I'm below 200 on the day, I'm not gonna be able to continue trade. And if I'm below 100 in a single trade, I'm not gonna be able to trade that stock again. So I'm putting quite hard stops now, just to get back to consistency, to get my confidence back, and then hopefully I can go up again in both size and be much better at holding winners. So yeah, that's day one, 170, about 150 after commission and fees. So should have been better, but yeah, it is a green day, and it's the first day in June, first day of this new yeah, I don't know what to call it, but in me showing everything online on a YouTube channel, so it's very new to me. It's going to be an interesting project and see what will come from it. But thank you guys, the ones who have been watching, and see you again tomorrow for the review tomorrow. Thank you guys. Goodbye.